Hey and welcome to another pCon.basket Pro tutorial on custom catalogs. With custom catalogs, you can create tailored product lists for goods, services, or other recurring items and use them in pCon.basket Pro for quote creation. Be sure to check out our basic tutorial, which is linked in the description, to get started. In this video, we'll show you two ways to embed article and catalog images into your custom catalogs. Let's start by taking a look at the Excel template. The first option is embedding images using a web link. Simply add the link to the article or catalog image in the appropriate column of the Excel template. This method is particularly useful when the images are stored online and publicly accessible via a link. The second option is embedding images through your Microsoft OneDrive account. To do this, create a folder named exactly like your Excel file, adding underline images at the end. Both the folder and the Excel file need to be located in the same directory. Place your article and catalog images in this folder. In the Excel template, enter a reference in the image URL column, which includes the file name and file type. For this example, it's mousepad_white.jpg for the image file. This method is efficient because it minimizes effort and establishes a direct connection between the Excel table and the image files. Both approaches are flexible and can be used based on your personal preferences. In pCon.basket Pro, you can also add a catalog image for the embedded catalog. Go to Settings, select Custom Catalogs, and click the pencil icon to edit. Under Image, enter the file name and file type of the catalog image. The image must already be stored in the designated folder. Once you've saved the changes, the image will be linked directly to the catalog entry. Here you can see the catalog image at the top, along with the embedded article images inside the catalog. This creates a professional and visually appealing catalog. Now you know how to add images to custom catalogs in pCon.basket Pro. To learn how to create these catalogs from scratch, check out our basic tutorial. Thank you for watching, and see you next time.